Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone Face ID is not available issue in iOS 17. Many iPhone users have complained that whenever they try to set up Face ID on their iPhone in iOS 17, they will receive a pop-up message saying Face ID is not available or trying setting up Face ID later. Few iPhone owners reported that they encountered this problem especially after iOS 17 update. Do you also face the same issue on your iPhone? If yes, then let me help you fix this issue. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So the first step is restart your iPhone. If you are prompted that Face ID is not available or try setting up later, you can reboot your device to see if that helps. Many users claim that they were able to fix the problem by just restarting the device. You can press the volume up and power button together to restart your device. So once you have done this and if it's still not working, then move on to the next step. The next step is update iOS to the latest version. After iOS 17 released, Apple has released another update iOS 17.0.1 to fix some bugs. Make sure you install it on your iPhone. Go to settings and click on software update and you will see the new update iOS 17.0.1. Here you go. You can simply click on update now to update it. Then move on to the next step. The next step is reset Face ID or setup again. If Face ID is not available in your device, you can try to solve this problem by resetting the Face ID and setting up again. You can go to setting, click on Face ID and passcode, enter the passcode, and here you will see the reset Face ID. So I haven't set up Face ID, that's why I'm not getting that option. Then move on to the next step. The next step is reset all setting on your iPhone. If your iPhone Face ID is still not available, another choice for you to reset all setting. Resetting all setting on your iPhone may be helpful to the Face ID not available issue. Please note that this will only reset all setting on your iPhone to the default value. You won't lose any of your data. To do that, go to settings, click on general, scroll down, click on transfer reset, click on reset, reset all setting, enter the passcode of your iPhone and you are done. And if it's still not working, then the last step would be contact Apple support for help. If nothing works, the last way is to contact Apple support for help. They will give you the most official instruction. Maybe there is something wrong with your hardware so that the issue is Face ID not available happens. So make sure that you contact them and get the help from Apple support. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.